Hey students, let's do the G's Louise. So we have -2 times the radical of x minus 9, the group. So I wrote it like this because this is the way it looks in Schoology. Making extended radical signs is kind of difficult. So there's a little itty bitty mini radical sign, but then there's a group. So this is the entire radical. All right, and then all that stuff equals a -14. So the rule is, friends, is that we want to get rid of everything that's outside the radical sign. Kind of like brackets, like these grouping symbols. Okay, everything outside the grouping symbols should go first. So this -2 has got to go. Now this -2 is connected by multiplication. So guess what you can do? You can divide by a -2, and then whatever you do to the left, you do to the right, because that's algebra rules. Goodbye. Those things cancel. I'm going to rewrite it so it looks a little more pretty. It means the same thing. This and this mean the same thing. -14 divided by -2 is 7. All right, we're back to where we just had a problem like this. We have nothing else to get rid of. We can't touch this -9 because it's inside the radical sign. So that means we got to get rid of the radical sign. Let's take both sides and square it. Square them, excuse me. Cancels. X minus 9 is going to equal a 49. That's what 7 squared is. Next move, I'm going to add 9 to both sides. Normally, I write a thing like that. Okay, 49 plus 9, I believe, is a 58. X is going to equal a 58. Now, I usually don't do this, but I probably should because this is what a good math teacher would do. Let's check our work. So a -2 times the radical of 58 minus 9, get out of the radical sign. I think that's it. -2 square root 58 minus 9. Hopefully that equals a -14. Oh, it does. All right, cool. I did all right. That's about it. Number one rule is if it's outside the radical sign, get rid of it. And then when the radical sign is the last thing or the only thing to get rid of, then get rid of it. And then if there's more stuff to cancel, just rely on your good old-fashioned algebra skills. That's the G's Louise.